Good morning guys, how are we all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. This is our Bitcoin morning update. Happy Monday everybody. Welcome to the new trading week. I'm pretty excited about this week. I reckon it's going to be an interesting week of trading in the markets, both traditional and crypto. So if you guys wouldn't mind smashing that like button, we will go straight over to those Bitcoin chart. So Bitcoin on the 4 hour, as you can see, obviously we broke above this resistance area, so we only really had this next level to aim for, which is where we've got to. Currently getting a little bit of resistance at this level, so could we get rejected here, come back test this breakout point around well, anywhere around 17.7 to 17.4, and then bounce off there and go for all-time highs? Yeah, very likely that would fit in the MO, the modus operandi for Bitcoin. But yes, so or are we going to come and tag the next line, or are we just going to come and make our way all the way up to resistance? That is obviously what is on the cards here. I mean, you would kind of expect at least some sort of a pullback, even if it is just to this, even if it's just to retest this level. Not necessarily have to break through it, but it could do. Yeah. To expect the move to come straight all the way back up and all the way to the top, it wouldn't be the most likely scenario. Some sort of a pullback from a certain level to a certain level, i.e. potentially here down to here, would look pretty normal. DXY is obviously going to be a bit of a driver here. We are on a 4-hour 9, but just look, we are losing. We basically are trading lower than this low here now. So that is pretty amazing. I was saying to you guys how amazed I was going to be to see the 91 handle, and I mean, we're on our way to a 90 handle, and then we were on our way down to 88. Well, I mean, I was obviously calling this 20k plus Bitcoin. I mean, when I wrote it, you guys may be thinking whatever you've been thinking, but I mean, it's pretty clear that we're going to have 20k plus Bitcoin if we do end up down here. And then we had to adjust it to maybe even 30k, just on the basis of the price action. But yeah, dollar looking particularly weak. We obviously have a we're gonna have to draw this on, aren't we? We do have a clear descending wedge though. So we'll have to have some reservations on that. I mean, are we to expect some sort of correction in the stock market, some sort of catalyst? That's what I'm trying to say. Some sort of catalyst this week that will drive the dollar back to the upside quite sharply, breaking out this red wedge. I mean, it would look like we could do. We are very mature in this formation. It just won't. Yeah, that will do. We'll leave it at that. No, it won't. That won't do. Right, that's got to be it. Right, we'll leave it at this. So, yeah, we have got to basically keep an eye out on what we kind of think is gonna happen here, because yeah, this could break out, gives us the 94 target. Even getting around to that level would be a lower high, and then we could come down, take out this level, and capitulate totally downwards. But hey, that's not happened till that has happened. Stock markets. See, what I think will precipitate that move in the dollar would actually be some sort of news or catalyst that hits stock markets. But stock markets at the moment looking good in this range here. I mean, they do look good until they don't. I'm just looking at that pattern in the dollar and just looking for some sort of catalyst. But yeah, maybe the stock's breaking down. But yeah, again, doesn't necessarily have to happen. The Ethereum Bitcoin pairing, as you can see, basically broke our level, this level, came and tagged our other level. And yeah, looking like it wants to potentially come and back test this level. So can it back test, get supported here and pump back up? Yeah, it very likely could do. Obviously, that's good for Ethereum. Back test and break back up, and we're looking good. So yeah, this is looking good for Ethereum, although we could say that we have basically tested the midpoint and got rejected. So obviously when that happens, you guys kind of know my theory on this, my thesis, my just basically my observed previous price action, is that we then come down and tag the bottom and take it out. So we have got to basically get supported here, make our way back up above this halfway point, otherwise it could start to look a bit bearish. Obviously the same can't be said for the dollar pairing, where we broke the halfway point and now the target is the top and onwards and upwards. Bitcoin dominance, still just well, in a tightening formation, looking like a bear flag. Is it going to break down, or we're going to move up? We'll have to keep an eye on that. Quick whiz through the stochastics. 4-hour toppy looking like it could give us some downward pressure, but 10-hour, 12-hour looking fantastic. Daily not turned back up yet, but overall not looking too bad. Higher time frames obviously looking a bit toppy and potentially coming down also. So yeah, that is it, guys. So remember, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research, and I will speak to you guys later on today.